If you're seeing the Chrome error that says redirected too many times, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the fastest ways to fix it step by step so you can get back to browsing normally without guessing what went wrong. This issue is usually caused by corrupted cookies, cache problems, conflicting extensions, or even incorrect system time settings. So let's walk through the fixes in the right order. Before we start, if this tutorial helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes like this. It really helps the channel grow, and it means you won't miss the next solution. First, test the site in an incognito window. This is a great way to check whether the issue is caused by your Chrome profile. Open Chrome, click the three dots in the top right, and choose New Incognito Window. Now try opening the website again. If the site works in incognito, that usually means your normal browser profile has bad cookies, cached data, or a browser extension causing the redirect loop. Next, clear your Chrome cache and cookies. This is one of the most effective fixes for this error. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard to open the Clear Browsing Data menu. Make sure you select cookies and other site data and cached images and files. Then change the time range to all time so Chrome clears everything related to the problem. After that, click Delete Data. Once it finishes, close Chrome completely and restart it. Then go back and test the website again. If the issue is still there, the next thing to check is your extensions. Some ad blockers, VPN extensions, privacy tools, and security add-ons can interfere with site redirects and cause Chrome to get stuck in a loop. To manage them, click the three dots in the top right, hover over extensions, and then click Manage Extensions. From there, temporarily turn off any extensions that might be affecting the site, especially ad blockers, tracking blockers, and VPN tools. After disabling them, refresh the page and see if the website loads properly. If it does, you found the cause, and you can re-enable extensions one by one to identify the exact one creating the problem. Now let's check your system date and time, because this can also trigger browser errors and security issues. On Windows, right-click the clock in the bottom right corner of your screen and select Adjust Date and Time. Make sure Set Time automatically is turned on. If your clock is wrong, Chrome and websites may not trust your session properly, which can lead to redirect problems. After fixing the time, try loading the website again. If none of those steps work, you may need to reset Chrome settings. This is useful if the issue is happening on multiple websites or if your browser settings have been changed by a bad extension, a glitch, or malware. To do this, click the three dots in the top right, then open Settings. In the left-hand menu, find Reset Settings. Click Restore Settings to their original defaults, then confirm by clicking Reset Settings. This will restore Chrome's core settings without deleting your bookmarks or save passwords, but it will disable extensions and reset some preferences, which often fixes stubborn redirect issues. After resetting, reopen Chrome and test the site one more time. In many cases, one of these steps will fix the redirected too many times error immediately. If the problem started after installing a new extension or clearing cookies didn't help, the issue is usually resolved by disabling the conflicting add-on or restoring Chrome's default settings. If this video helped, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more easy troubleshooting guides. And if you want, check the description for quick reference links and extra tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.